Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. People in the Shibarmy. December will make us rich. Get ready to get rich soon. Shib news: Shiba Inu hasn't had a good few months because the token's value has been going down quickly for the past 5 months. A big part of the problem was the drop in burn output, which helped the Shib get back on the market. Thankfully, things are finally getting better. The burn rate on the network has gone up a lot. According to Shib Burn, new data shows that the number of burns in Shib has gone up by 910% in just the last 24 hours. This is one of the biggest rises in burns seen in recent weeks. We'll talk about Shibarmy in this movie. December will make us millionaires, so get ready to get rich soon. Shib news: don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Not a moment too soon. Let the movie begin. Over 5 million tokens were taken out of circulation by the Shiba Inu burn address, finishing in 3,963D. This made it the address that burned the most Shiba Inu in the last 24 hours. The huge percentage increase in burn output did not have a corresponding effect on the market, which was a shame. The 21-day moving average shows that Shiba Inu keeps moving below the local support level. The price drop is due to a huge loss of money in the cryptocurrency market and the complete dumping of retail wallets across the digital asset industry. Since the beginning of the year, traders and investors have been quickly selling what they own. One of the first digital investing tools that people lost was Shiba Inu, which is a high-risk asset. Shiba Inu is selling at $0.9 at the time of this writing, which is below the important psychological level of $0.1. Unfortunately, the number of burned SHIB tokens we have access to right now is not enough to cover the current oversupply, which has kept the price of the token low. People think that Shiba Inu is one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies available right now. Shiba Inu is different from many other coins because it gives stake rewards to all owners. Crypto users only need to buy SHIB tokens on the Shiba Swap marketplace and then stake those tokens using the Barry option to become investors. Following these steps will give the user peace of mind, as they will be able to enjoy a steady flow of money without having to invest in riskier market coins. When the staking choices are turned on, the investor doesn't have to deal with coins that aren't as safe as Shiba Inu. The same steps can be used for the coin's secondary tokens, such as Leash and Bone, as well as SHIB tokens. Bone gives investors the chance to make passive income, and they also use it to vote on the choices made on the Shiba Inu platform. Investing in Shiba Inu makes the company welcoming and makes sure everyone's voice is heard by letting them help make decisions. Also, it makes sure that buyers' needs come first, which is a big draw in the crypto market. A statement on Crypto.com's website from December 9 says that the exchange has posted an audited proof of reserves page that shows it has enough crypto assets to cover its debts to customers. You can see on the new page that Crypto.com is 102% Bitcoin, 101% Ether, and 102% USD coin, which is what you need to make withdrawals. XRP, Shiba Inu, Chainlink's Link or Link, and Decentraland's Mana or Mana are some of the cryptocurrencies that are in the study. All of them have reserves of more than 100%. Dogecoin, also known as Doge, fell by 3.63% on December 11th. After going down by 0.52% on Saturday, Doge lost 10.94% of its value by the end of the week, reaching 928 cents. Notably, Doge failed to return to $0.10 for the 4th session in a row. Doge saw a bullish start to the day and hit a high point early in the morning at 972 cents. At that point, it ran into the first big resistance level, or RON, which is also 972 cents. Doge dropped to a late low of 916 cents. At the end of the day, Doge fell through the day's main support levels and was worth $0.928. Inu prices dropped by 0.65% on Sunday. Shib lost 2.56% of its value over the course of the week, ending the week down 0.54% to $0.912. But when support was found at the second major support level, at the end of the day, Shib, or STWO, was worth $0.907. Shib was held back from a full return by SON. Doge and Shib were both very gloomy this morning, coming off of a bearish weekend. Investors had a tough time over the weekend and this morning because of market anxiety about the next Fed interest rate decision. After a good US jobs report and an ISM non-manufacturing PMI measure, now the attention is on tomorrow's US CPI number. More than expected inflation could make it less likely that the Fed will change its mind in December. The US wholesale inflation numbers released on Friday showed that inflationary pressures are likely to stay high, even though they are slightly lower than expected. This could give the Fed hawks the upper hand. News of strange behavior on Binance makes people feel even worse. Binance sent out an update saying that everything seemed to be fine. Even so, the news about Binance was enough to make investors worried after FTX went down. There is a lack of trust at the moment of the latest news. There are no US economic indicators to look at today, so the attention is on Tuesday's CPI report. Elon Musk and Twitter might be able to make up for DOGE and Shib's losers. Since it was announced that Twitter was going to start Kucoin, DOGE has had a hard time. A confirmation from Twitter that DOGE will be added to the Twitter payment tool would be very helpful. The value of Shib fell 3.7% to 0.884 units. Shib fell from an early high of $0.912 to a low of $0.843 because the market was going down. Yesterday, Shib fell through today's major support levels. It then rose through the third major support level at $0.872 to reach Rome, which is at $0.925, and the Sunday high of $0.929. Shib needs to break through S2 and so the turning point is at $0.616. A return to $0.920 would mean that the afternoon session will be strong. There is a good chance that Shib will learn from the Nasdaq index and the crypto market as a whole. Most likely, Shib would try the second major resistance level, or RTWO, which is set at $0.938 if the rally lasts for a long time. The $0.960 level is the third big resistance level, or R3. If they can't get through S2 and S1 and the turn, they will have to go through S3, which is at $0.872. The EMA show that prices are going down, and Shib is currently trading below the 50-day EMA, which is worth $0.923. Yesterday, the 50-day EMA moved away from the 100-day EMA. Today, the 100-day EMA moved away from the 200-day EMA. The signs pointed down. It would be possible to break out of R1 and the 100-day EMA to reach R2 if prices move through S12, zone, and the 50-day EMA. That being said, if Shib couldn't get through the 50-day EMA, it would put pressure on the company. Shiba Inu price forecast says that Shib cryptocurrency is in the consolidation phase inside the descending triangle pattern on the daily price chart. The 20 EMA for Shib crypto is now in play, but it is still below the 50, 100 and 200-day moving averages. At 0.54 BTC, the pair of Shib and BTC has gained 0.22% so far today. Based on the Shiba Inu price forecast, the token is likely to stay inside the falling triangle shape on the daily price chart. The Shib coin needs to get out of where it is now in order to go above the daily price chart. Before the Shibarmy can move in, the token has to wait until it leaves the consolidation state and breaks out of the downward triangle pattern. Shiba Inu's price went through an exciting roller coaster ride on the daily price chart. At first, it couldn't get out of the falling triangle pattern and got stuck in the consolidation stage. After getting